One of the great things about the OK knife, it is a company that I have used for a very long time, and yet they came up with this ingenious product that I didn't even know that I need until I got my hands on it. So most of the time when I need two different things in my EDC is usually the knife and the flashlight. And I always are hunting for both of those. And a lot of times I'm confused. Which one should I take? Which one should I get for my rotation? And sometimes I'm just missing one of those two essential tools. This solves the problem entirely. Now we have both in one setting. We have the knife and we have the flashlight all in one. And the great thing about this is that it's easy for you to turn on. You just press this button over here and it turns on. The great thing about this is you can even use a lock mode and then it's not going to accidentally turn on. Talking about accident, it's not that easy to accidentally turn it on to begin with. But then again, if you do turn this on, there is two different modes over here. There is the regular light mode and there is the super bright mode as well. A lot of times in the dark you can't see stuff. This helps you out at night. Next thing is, for EDC, you need a knife. Now this knife is very good because it has a rapid deployment method right on the side here. Just like that, you press on it, flip it, and it turns on. We also have the button open and close. Press the button and it goes straight back in and closes. Voila! Now the second way for you to deploy it, you press the button instead. And you can go ahead and look at that. It's almost like a gravity knife, but it's not. So it's kind of really cool. Has this mechanism. But another thing about this, it's super pocket friendly. It's not gonna accidentally just flip on you if you have this in your pocket. So you're not gonna have those accidental discharges in the pocket and injure you. So fear not when it comes to that. Unless you press this button, it's not gonna deploy. Other than that, it will. So two ways for you to deploy. The button deploy right here when you press on it, and two, you have to use a little bit of force of inertia, and it opens up just like that. Super fast that it opens and then it closes and so on. So you're getting two different tools in one price, which makes it very affordable. Awesome EDC you can take with you. And I love the stone wash kind of a design to this. It looks amazing as well. So yeah, a really cool knife. I love the features. And this one is nicely done. It is a beauty as well. So when you're looking at this thing, hey, we get a great knife here. And a lot of ways, it's like the Leatherman knife. Really small Leatherman knife. In other ways, it's a very nice touch to this because we are flipping it right away to the flashlight mode as well. Now, some of you, if you're working at night, you want to be seen. So you can actually use this. Just put this right there with the clip and you can use this as a night mode when you're walking around. So really great thing about this is that it actually takes away two different tools with one specific tool. So you don't need to grab the flashlight and grab the knife. You can get both just grabbing one thing. To top it off, it has a USB-C charger right here and it comes with a charger. So you can go ahead and charge this thing right up. Looking at it up close, you can see it has this Star Wars-like design to it. And if you put it just like this, look at that. It looks absolutely cool. Not only that, when you press on here, here is the light shining through it, and we have two different powers all combined here, and then we can turn this off. Next thing about this, the design is absolutely slick. I love the futuristic look of this knife. Nobody knows it's a knife until you deploy it, which makes it super cool as well. Now let's talk about deployment over here. What you have to do is just press this button, voila, opens up and goes right back in. Really nice. And next thing about this, if you want to actually real life deploy, just like this, that's how you actually go ahead and turn this on. Then when you press the button, it's going to go down, and just like a gravity knife, it goes down, but it's not. So really cool bonus feature, just like that. Then putting it right back in. Let's see if I can show you that again. Just like this. And on the other hand, you can do it too. Both hands, you can actually do it. It's easy one-hand operation, which makes it really cool, because a lot of times that's what you need, one hand, and that's the only hand you have to operate this actual knife. And another thing about this is that to put this right back in, this is where the buttons comes in. A lot of times you want to use one hand to deploy just about anything, and this one go ahead and goes in. Then you have one hand deployment of the light as well, so you can do everything with one hand, and you can do left hand or right hand as well, which makes it super cool. So in this specific thing, opening this up, super fast opening, putting right back in, and then we switch it right to the light source, and that's seconds. It takes you seconds to deploy this as well. And if you don't need to deploy it any other way, remember, two ways to deploy. One, you press the button, voila, you can deploy it just like that, and it goes back in. Or the second way, which is power of inertia, which is much faster and much more accurate as well. Now, when you get this, what do you get inside the box? Let's go ahead and check out the box itself. So this is the box it comes with, especially if you want to go ahead and give this away as a gift. Opening this up, that's what we have inside, right there. And in here, we have the place where we can go ahead and put the knife right inside here. Actually, it's a flashlight knife. And then on the bottom, we have the USB-C cable for it to charge, and the instruction manual as well, right under here too. So really good stuff. I like the organization here. I like the gift idea. So if you're somebody who is thinking about giving this away as a gift, buying it as a gift idea for somebody who is just entering into EDC, this would be a perfect gift to give them, because it's super useful. A lot of times you need a knife, and a lot of times you need a flashlight too, and you're getting both with one purchase. So it is definitely dark over here, but in case you want to find where everything is, this one is great for finding the door, and it's easy for you to feel exactly where the light switch is as well. So let's go inside here, and this place is absolute darkness. I'm getting into a dark cave. I can't see anything right now, and this is why I brought the light in here to shine it right in. As you can see, it lights up the place really good, and it has the spotlight feature here, which I really like, because you can focus the attention exactly where you're walking or going. And then you can turn on the more powerful one, which is even better, because now you can see just about everything in here. So two different modes, one more powerful than the other, giving you a lot of light for an actual knife. A knife with a flashlight. It's an ingenious idea, yet it's not a weak flashlight. It's absolutely powerful, and it's all done by a USB-C cable. Amazing, essential, and great for your EDC purposes. And now we have two different things in one: the flashlight and the actual knife. And I just went ahead and opened up the knife with the flashlight. How cool is that? What an excellent EDC we have here. Plus, here is the fun factor. You can also use this as a fidget tool as well. And it does really nice cool stuff in the dark too. So yeah, the fun factor in here is also an added bonus. So it's nice and dark here, and we are testing the actual light just to see how it works in ultimate darkness over here. And we are gonna explore and walk around this. Look at how dark it is. And this is the spotlight version of it. And now we're going to be turning on the two different modes. The small mode, which is not as powerful, is great for just seeing small things. This is the one I recommend for you to use if you're just putting this on yourself as a light mode at night. And you can't really see too much here. But the bigger one, you can actually see almost all the way to that bush. Oh, it is to the bush. You can hardly see the bush down there, but it's pretty powerful. Actually, if you really want to put it this way, if you keep walking, and people don't think this is really far away, but you can see that this is far. You can keep walking here, and here is the bush that we just saw, and here is the tree. So it does have a pretty good power kick to this. And walking at night, here is the not so strong edition and the bigger one. And you can see that it does light up everything as well. So if you're walking around and you can't see stuff, walking around, and then you need to go ahead and light up your door, look how dark this is. And now it's not. Now it's light up right here, and we can see exactly how to open the door. Now as we're walking around, we're going to be exploring the darkness here, just to show you how good this thing is. A small mode is when you want to be inconspicuous, so nobody knows that you're just traveling around. And here is the bigger mode, and you can actually light up the entire tree. Let's talk about lighting up a tree. This place is extremely dark. And now we have the light here, and let's talk about lighting up a tree. Well, we kind of lit up the top of the tree right there. And now we're going to be lighting up a closer tree, this one over here, all the way to the tippy top. And the spotlight mode over here. That's kind of cool. Wow, look at that. Now, that's what I call power. Right there. This is full power mode. Right here. We've been just joking around before, talking about this thing not being strong. I saved the best part for last. This is in a super powered mode right now. And you can clearly see that this thing is a beast at night. An absolute beast. You can see all the way to the top of the trees. You can even light up the moon. And even get all the way to the universe, to the stars. Yeah, definitely. Extremely powerful. Really powerful. You can even shine up your neighbor's yard. They're gonna hate me for this one at night. But over for the demo. Check this out. Up all the way up in the tree. Amazing. And the spotlight mode, all the way to the clouds, shining to outer space.